What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to change your profile pic or your avatar on Discord. Now I'm on mobile for this, but this works on Discord desktop as well if you're on that. So once you're inside the Discord app, you're going to hit your profile picture in the bottom right hand corner. Once you're at this screen here now, you can see your profile, and now you're going to hit account. It is the second option down right above set status and right below user profile. And then from this menu, you could see your profile picture in big form, and there's a little pen icon in the upper right hand corner of your profile picture. You hit that, and then it's going to bring up the menu down below at the bottom of the screen, and you could see it leaves you with two options to either delete the avatar or change avatar. If you click delete, it's just going to give you the default Discord logo as your profile picture, but then if you hit change, it'll bring up your camera roll or your camera if you want to take a picture directly from there, or just select one from your camera roll. You could do both options to change your profile picture, or avatar as Discord puts it in their own words. That's pretty much all there is to it though, the changing your profile picture on Discord. If you had any questions about how this works, or you needed help on desktop version or any other versions, be sure to comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.